YouTube, what is going on? I got a challenge for y'all today. It's gonna be a $3,000 car flip challenge. Basically, what I'm gonna try to do is try to flip a car and be done with it under $3,000. That's the budget. I cannot go over $3,000. That's gonna be the goal for this video. I know a lot of you guys message me and ask me, how much money do I need to start flipping cars? Is $3,000 enough? You guys ask all those questions. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how it can be done for under $3,000. I've done this multiple times before, finishing a car under $3,000 and flipping it for about $2,000 to $3,000 profit. But now with that being said, I did buy a car. It is here on the trailer. It just arrived. I have a jump pack. We're gonna go jump it and then I'll show you guys the car. Let's go get it. All right, y'all, so here's the car. I got a jump pack connected to it. Let's go ahead, turn it on for the first time. We're about to see if the engine is good. Bismillah. Well, that's not good. Try one more time. This has gas. All right, it's not starting, so we need to figure this out. All right, I got the battery to turn on. It was literally just the low voltage. The jump pack was pretty low, so I just needed to charge, and the battery was dead. Just needed to charge, that's it. Engine sounds fine. There's coolant. I already checked the oil. All good. Let me show you guys the damage real quick. Actually, you might have to get off the trailer first. Super slight damage. I'll show you guys when we get the car off the trailer. We got airbag lights. We need to figure out what that's about. All right, I'll catch you guys when I get the car off the trailer. All right, I got the car completely off the trailer. I'll give you guys a quick 360. I'm show you guys the damage. So I bought this car for $1,600. As you can see, no front end damage. Go to the back, that's what the accident was. After fees, it came out to about $2,200. Here we go, here's the damage. As you can see, the bumper honestly looks fine. I don't think I need a new bumper. But I guess underneath is what got hit. All right, let's see what we're looking at. This literally looks fine. It's literally just this. Oh my God. This might be a steal, guys. Literally, this just has to get fixed and that's it. But this looks super easy, guys. Literally, we're just gonna fix that. We're not even gonna buy anything. Maybe we'll paint the bumper. Maybe. This is a cheap car, so maybe not. But this car looks, I mean, that's it. That's literally it. But so far, I think we're good. $2,200 for the car, right? After fees from Copart. $200 to the driver, so at $2,400. And we'll see how much it costs to, I guess, fix everything. And we'll see at the end. I'll show you guys the entire process. And then at the end, we'll see how much we sell it for. And hopefully we can finish it under $3,000, and hopefully we can sell it for about $6,000. But if we finish it at $2,500, if we sell it for $5,000, that's still a good flip. Let's see what happens next. All right, Mohammed Hijazi got the battery, so we're about to install it real quick. Positive, negative. So we're gonna install this, and I'll catch you guys after that. All right, that's it. Battery's installed. Go ahead and check it out. Let's see if it works. It works. Boom, it works. We're good to go. Alhamdulillah. No need for the jumper no more. And now the body guys are in the back working. So once they finish, wash the car, clean it, take pictures, inspection, post the car. That's it. I got this car yesterday. And remember, the challenge of this video is buy a car for under $3,000, finish it for under $3,000, and try to sell it for $6 grand. So far, we're at $2,200 for the car, $200 for shipping. How much was the battery, Hijazi? 60?
65.
65. So what was that? 2465. Math is hard. 2465 we're at with the car right now, and then that's it. Inspection's 25 bucks. The wash was free. We might be done at 2,500. If we can sell for $6 grand, that'd be a good flip. That'd be an amazing flip, actually. But if we sell for $5, that's still good. We doubled our money, and that's that. So we'll see in the next clip. All right, y'all, update on the $3,000 car challenge. As you can see in the back, the car is all ready to go. See? So now what we need to go do is go for a test drive. So we got a new battery on the car. We got the rear damage fixed. And now it's time to go for a test drive. Make sure that this car drives good. Let's go ahead and crank her on. There you go. And now we go for a spin, see what's going on. Hopefully the car is good, but it's time to find out. The most nerve-wracking part, because you don't know if your engine's good, you don't know if your transmission's good. You don't know what could be going on with the car. So first drive is always the scariest, but we're about to find out. Let's see. Pull out to the road. Bismillah. Okay. Shift's fine. Low tire pressure. Okay. I think we're good. Let me spin around real quick. All right, on second hand, I do hear a noise in the back, like something is scraping. Hold on, let me put on my seatbelt. Okay, well now it stopped, but it did sound like something was scraping a little earlier. Yep, I hear it again. I think it's on the passenger side rear, something is scraping. So we have to figure that what that is. Probably like a fender liner, or hopefully it's something small. But as far as the engine and transmission, they look good to go. So that's the most important part. So we're gonna figure out what this noise is, and we'll see what's next. Well, I think I found the issue. That piece right here is scraping. It's not installed properly. Yep. So this needs to come up like that to stay up. I think that's what's making the noise. So let me go ahead and try to get this fixed real quick, and we'll see what's next. There we go. Car sold, y'all. All right, YouTube, the car sold. It's done. Done deal. Customer just left with it. We sold it for $5,300. So I'm gonna go ahead and run the numbers with you guys, show you everything that we did. And one thing real quick about this flip is that it only took 2 weeks exactly. I bought the car October 21st, and I just sold it today, which is November 4th. As y'all can see, November 4th. It's sideways, but I mean it's backwards, but you guys see it. It's November 4th today, the car sold. So 2 weeks, only in 2 weeks from the moment I bought it to the moment I sold it. 2 weeks, that's all it took for this car. And it really didn't take much work either. So that's that. You always want to sell a car quick. You don't want to hold the car for too long. And real quick, if you guys want to learn how to flip cars like this, make sure you click the link in the description below. And there you can book a one-on-one call with me. And also you can invest in the program. In the program, you're gonna learn everything you need to learn how to do what I'm doing. As you guys can see, I have an entire lot and I do this for real. I'm not one of those gurus that just sell a course for something that they don't do. I actually flip cars and I can teach y'all how to do it because I'm in it too. But besides that, let's go inside real quick and run the numbers. All right, y'all, here's the numbers. As you can see, 2015 Chrysler 200. Here's the car from the auction. Now let's go ahead and run through it. So we got $22.60 for the car, $200 transport, $100 for the active grille shutter, and $80 to the mechanic. The active grille shutter, it was broken on the car. I didn't get to record that part. I had ordered it quick. The mechanic came and fixed it up real quick for 80 bucks. So that's what that is. Unfortunately, that did put us over the $2,500 limit that I wanted to be at, but it's okay. $40 to the body guy. He just installed everything back on. $25 inspection. Came out to $2,705 as the cost. And we sold the car for $5,100. But then I did collect $5,350 from the customer because I'm gonna go pay his taxes and give him a plate. As a dealer, I can do that for him to give him a temporary tag. That's what that's for. So the total I'm collecting, like for myself, is $5,100. So now if we subtract the $2,705 minus the $5,100, we get a total profit of $23.95 and an 88% return on our investment. As always, if you guys want to learn how to flip cars like this, make sure to tap in, link in the description down below. You can book a call, or if you're serious about this, you can just get the program, get the entire course, learn exactly how to do what I'm doing. This flip, I made $2,300. The course itself is $2,000, right? The current price of it is right now is $2,000. You get direct mentorship from me for $2,000 and an entire video blueprint of everything you need to do, everything you need to know on how to do this business successfully, how I'm doing it. You'll learn for just $2,000. And I just flipped an easy car in under 2 weeks and I made over $2,000. So you can make your money back right away. That's how easy this game is if you do it correctly, if you learn the correct process. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.